Hello students, if you are preparing for ICSE Class 10th board examinations and if you are doing these things, then you are silently destroying your preparation. Many students realize these mistakes after the board exams when it is too late. The first thing that you must stop immediately is opening new textbooks and new notes. If you open a new textbook and a new set of notes, this will only increase your confusion. So what should you focus on? You should focus on your own textbook right now. There are a lot of questions, a lot of numericals already present in your textbooks. So that is your Bible right now. Apart from that, you should focus on the ICSE competency question bank, which is already uploaded by the council on its own website. Then the specimen paper provided by the council. And apart from that, you need a standard question bank. So these are your indispensable tool for your preparation, but no new textbooks, no new notes at all. Okay, the next thing that you should focus on is on revision loops. You should be consistent with your revision. That is very important. Most of the students, they study for long hours. Sometimes they study for 6 hours a day, 5 hours a day, but without revision loops. They study, but they don't do the revision. So what you should do, instead of doing 3 to 4 subjects in a day, you should focus on only 2 subjects or just 1 subject maybe in a day. So what you should do, maybe in the morning you study the theory, the numerical part, and in the evening you do the revision of it. So a consistent way of doing revision, you have to plan your schedule in such a way that every subject gets a balanced revision loop. So that is very important. Your strategy of doing the revision matters a lot. So without revision loop, just preparing, just reading will not help you much. The third mistake that you must avoid is, many students have the habit of solving the question, a numerical, could be in maths, could be in physics, or any question in chemistry. You directly write the answer without showing the steps, especially in physics and mathematics. If you miss on the steps, your marks may get deducted. While doing a numerical in physics, you should write the given data, then the formula that you're applying, and then substitute the values into the formula, and then your final answer. Also, your handwriting matters a lot. You may think that why handwriting, sir? Believe me, that matters. When your work is presentable, neat and tidy, everything looks so impressive. The marks from the examiner's hand will flow automatically, spontaneously. So definitely presentation matters. So your handwriting should be neat, tidy. Things should look very neat and presentable. I must tell you that presentation is not about decoration. It is about your answer, how you answer. It's a part of your answer. It's not a part of your decoration. And the fourth mistake that you should be avoiding is comparing with others. Okay, your friends' syllabus completion is not your reality. Your friend's timetable is not your timetable. You should identify what is your timetable, which timetable suits you. So you should prepare your own timetable, your own syllabus strategy, completion strategy should be based on that. So, if you compare it with your friends, that only creates panic. And panic will lead to memory loss, and memory loss would lead to confusion in the board exams. So this is very, very important. And the final thing before I end this video, I want to tell all of you that your confidence in exams matters a lot, but of course not overconfidence. Now your mind listens to what you tell it repeatedly. You are preparing very, very sincerely, but if you're scared about your board exams, so right now I will tell you that you should write "I will win" in the comment section. This is not a magic. Okay, this is about telling your brain that you are confident, you are capable of getting good marks. So right now what you should do, write "I will win" in the comment section and get back to your study table and start with your preparations.